How to hide your Instagram followers and following. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to hide your Instagram followers and following. So then, to begin with the following procedure, make sure that your account is verified and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now unfortunately, there is no such direct way of hiding your followers and following on Instagram apart from keeping your account private. Now when you actually look into the Facebook, or that you try to hide your following or your friend list on the Facebook app, what you can see is that you'll not be able to see any of the following list that a person has. But then for the Instagram, that does not work quite similar. Now let me just going to show you the example. So let me just type in the username. As you can see, this particular user has a private account, but then I'm able to see the number of followers that she has or he has and the following list he or she has, but then I'm unable to see the users or the username. However, this is how it works. So basically, to do this procedure, you have to go to your profile and tap the tab bar icon and go to settings and privacy. While you're on this page, you have to go to account privacy, and you can see that currently I have a public account, so you have to turn it off. I'm going to tap on the OK button and make sure to enable it to private. After that, only the list of people that's on your following will be able to see the usernames, detail and all that. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.